FEMCA Championship was held in Taiwan. Asia RC has the results. In first place, Jeff Wang, Ming Yang Buggy, SH Engines, Nitrolux Fuel. Note 4 Sparco buggies in the main final, the brand new buggy, absence of some major Asian players and major tire manufacturers in the final, and Nitrolux on the top fuel positions. The SWorkz of Jordan Lowe, winner at the first round of the French Brushless Championship with Corsatec Electronics, in photos by Renault Savoia, who won the Draghi class in brushless with Kyosho and Connect Electronics. The amazing French club, as always, worked all night after the rain to have a presentable and nice track for the main events. HB Racing Seismic was also there, probably with their new bodies for Le Mans and more. Nitro Race event, Boots SWorkz wins in Italy. Senesi X-Ray will be at Hot Race Asia Cup race in Hong Kong, end of April 23. American Jared Tebo announced he will stop his professional racing career at the end of the year 2023. Success at FEMCA for X-Ray e-buggy champions. Success in Hungary, front-wheel drive X1 and X4 champions. There have been reports and photos around the web by XRAY XB8 23 customers about issues with the new style bulkheads. We contacted the company for a statement. It seems they reacted, and in the XB8 group there has been the following, it seems by X-Ray. Exotek 23 model F1 body. X-Ray will soon present the XT8 Draghi 24 model. Nimo Racing Agama presented the first production kit of the new Agama N1 and revealed that the one-piece flex rear wing holder was inspired by the classic Bergonzoni R1 machine. But for those who want to, there will be an extra holder in the kit that will also protect better the rear shocks. The front shocks will be protected by the Lexan front wing if the user wants to use it.